This training video will demonstrate how to set time accommodations for students in WebAssign. At the end of this video, you will be able to access time accommodations from the roster, select students, and assign time accommodations. Navigate to your class roster page. Locate the column for time accommodation. This is where you can view and manage time accommodations for your students. To set a time accommodation for one student, click the link under Time Accommodation beside their name. In this instance, the link says None because no accommodations have been set yet. You can also set accommodations for multiple students at the same time. Select the checkboxes beside the students' names. Click Set Time Accommodations for selected students. The time accommodation window will open. Select the type of accommodation to apply 1.5 time, double time, or unlimited time. To know which of your assignments these settings will apply to, click the button in the top right. After choosing the accommodations, click Save. You'll see a confirmation message that the settings have been applied and the time accommodation will display next to each student. These settings will now be applied for the students you selected across all current and future timed assignments that have not been started yet. To remove an accommodation, click on the time accommodation beside the student's name. Select None and click Save. If you'd like to give students a few extra minutes on an assignment without giving the student an accommodation for all assignments, you'll do it through the Extensions page. Thank you for watching this training video for WebAssign. For more tips and support, visit our training and help sites.